where should you find loans, or where can you find potential borrowers? Well, there's many ways of approaching this. Some people purchase leads. Some people visit realtors. Some people put ads in newspapers and benches in online. There's other people that advertise on Facebook. There's other people that advertise on Instagram and so many other avenues. Everybody has their own way of doing things and everybody's successful in their own ways. What I highly suggest you do is your main source of referrals should be your friends, your family, and realtors. If you have a large database of realtors, the probability of closing loans is going to be much greater because you need them, but they also need you because they need somebody that can provide them fast pre-qualifications to be able to provide their buyers. They need someone that can actually respond when they have questions on the loan. They need to have somebody that can actually close the loan. So if you can provide those three things, then realtors will really want to do business with you. Also, once you start creating a database of borrowers that you've closed loans with in the past, they're the ones that you want to stay in contact as well. So that's a great source of referrals as well, past customers. So once you close loans with them, you can also help them out with their finances. If they need to pay off credit cards, they can refinance and pay off credit cards. If they want to upgrade to a larger home, or if they want to buy an investment home, you're the one they're going to go to. So you want to stay in contact with past customers. So those are the main places I would suggest you go to. And those are free sources. You don't even have to pay $1 for those things. If you want to go ahead and pay for referrals or pay for leads, you can go ahead and do that as well. But in the past, I found the best sources are realtors, past customers, friends, and family. Once that nucleus grows, it just gets bigger and bigger, and then it just gets better and better for you. You do less work and you get more business, which is efficient and it's more productive. And that's what you should focus on doing.